Hello dear students, let's start a new topic. Discovery of neutrons. This topic from chapter 4 of class 8 in subject chemistry. Let's open your book and come on the page number 38. Discovery of neutrons. The neutron was discovered by James Chadwick in 1932. This is the picture of James Chadwick. James Chadwick discovered the third subatomic particle, neutrons. For several years, electrons and protons were the only two known subatomic particles. Before 1932, only electron and proton were known subatomic particle by the chemist, but no anyone scientist have the idea about the neutron in the atom. But in 1932, James Chadwick discovered the third subatomic particle, that is neutrons. How? If an atom consists of only electron and proton, then the mass of the atom should be equal to the total mass of proton present in it, since the mass of electron is negligible. However, it was found that the mass of an atom was much higher than the total mass of protons present in atoms. Let's see. The mass of an atom. The mass of atom, initially the electron and protons, just only two subatomic particles were discovered. So the mass of atom should be equal to the mass of proton plus the mass of electrons. The mass of proton have one unit, atomic mass unit, but the mass of electron is negligible, so the mass of electron should be considered at 0. The total mass of the atom should be equal to the mass of the protons. As for example, if you can take the carbon has the 6 proton, 6 electron. So the mass of the carbon atom equal to 6 proton plus 6 electron. The 6 electron have the negligible mass. The total mass of carbon is 6 AMU. But it was experimentally seen that the mass of the carbon atom is equal to 12 atomic mass unit. 12. So how is it possible? Why? The mass of the carbon atom is 12, but after calculating and adding the mass of electron and proton, the mass of carbon is 6. So it was realized that the one subatomic particle should be in the atom, and that subatomic particle has only the mass, but they do not any charge, because electron proton are neutralized to each other, but the mass is not satisfied by the electron and proton mass. So one atomic particle should be have in the atoms that have only mass but no any charge, so neutral. So that's why, according to that concept, James Chadwick in 1931 solved this problem with the discovery of a new subatomic particle, and that subatomic particle called neutron. Now, what is the properties of neutron? The mass of a neutron is nearly equal to that of a proton. So the mass of neutron is equal to that of a proton, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 grams. This is the mass of proton, and this is also the mass of neutrons. Now, The neutron carries no charge, so it is in neutral particles. That's why the name of neutron derived from the neutral terms, neutron. Neutron are denoted by n, small n, or small n subscript 0 and superscript 1, where 0 represent no charge and 1 atomic mass unit represent the mass of the neutron. So this is all about the discovery and properties of the neutron.